Don't worry, darling. Where do we begin?
Where do we begin? Where does it end? I think it's never going to end. Crossy was on the show last week, kind of explaining a bit of background around it. Don't Worry, Darling is Olivia Wilde's second directorial effort, and it premiered at Venice Film Festival this week. And the drama has just been non-stop pretty much ever since we heard about it, from her relationship with Harry Styles and speculation around that. You know, did they get together while she was still with Jason Sudeikis, her partner of many years, to this rumour about this feud that she had with female lead Florence Pugh. And then it kind of all compounded this week. As I said, we can see them all there on the red carpet. Florence
Love
did
the
buy
short,
her.
by the way.
He did look very slick, I have to say. I love the sunglasses and everything. There's Florence Pugh there. She actually skipped the press conference for this, so didn't take any questions. She was there drinking her Aperol Spritz, having the time of her life, did walk the red carpet, looked amazing there. There weren't any questions allowed about Florence, bar one. Someone got a sneaky one in and Olivia was like, you know, I'm obsessed with her, whatever, kind of doubled down in the rumours, denying them. There were no more questions allowed after that.
And when you watch the clip back of Olivia Wilde, she is asked by like a reputable journalist. Like, these aren't hacks. These are like, it's Vanity Fair, the New York Post, like very reputable journalist. And the journalist goes to ask, you know, can we actually touch on all the noise surrounding this and the alleged feud? And the glance she gives the moderator, like, move it on.
Yeah.
Like, it is unbelievable if we're seeing drama here, what's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, in fairness, and she had a good answer for it. Like, again, I'm paraphrasing, but she's talking about, you know, I'm not really into, like, it's on the internet, I'm not nourishing the internet anymore.
Yeah.
The internet is well fed, whatever. But it kind of just fed it more into the rumours that, you know, there definitely is argy-bargy here. Then we had Spitgate, which is kind of the biggest story that has come out since the premiere. So after the premiere, you know, there's a standing ovation, whatever, everyone's delighted, blah, blah, blah. And we have Harry Styles get up from his seat and appear to spit in the other star, Chris Pine's lap. And that's him reacting to the seeming spit.
Okay, have a look again.
Let's have a look again,
Sit
because
down. So,
he's ghosted.
Chris Pine looks
Chris
at his
Pine
lap.
is
Looks
like,
at what's landed on his
Going,
trousers.
what the, and Olivia's looking going, huh?
it's just...
It does appear
Here we go again.
Here, once more, photo finish with feeling. Like, it's just, depending on what screen you watch this on, like what angle, people are seeing different things. Initially, I was like, oh my God, he did spit it on him, what the hell? But then you watch from other angles and it doesn't look like there's anything there.
It's Chris Pine's reaction, I think, that makes you go, there was definitely something.
But then some people were saying he's reacting to his phone. Someone messaged me and said he famously only owns a flip phone, so he couldn't be reacting to his phone. Like, when I say
only owns
the
a flip
conspiracy
phone. Everyone in
theorists,
Hollywood knows.
Yeah,
This
but
is like,
apparently
this is like VAR. It's brilliant.
Honestly, it is. It's incredible. But unfortunately, Chris Pine's rep has come out and said, you know what, it's total nonsense. Just to be clear, Harry Styles did not spit on Chris Pine. There's nothing but respect between these two men. Any suggestion otherwise is a blatant attempt to create drama that simply does not exist.
How funny. There needs to be an official response. But this drama is kind of overshadowing the movie. I mean, like, are people actually going to go and see this movie? Or are people just going to take the mick out of it now because of all this gossip that surrounds it?
I think you have the Harry Styles fans who are always going to go see him. And to be honest, Florence's performance is getting good reviews. The rest of the movie, not so much. I think I read The Guardian saying that it was kind of full of these half-baked ideas. A lot of kind of maybe some generous 3-star reviews. I don't know. I do still think, as you said, with all the drama around this, like, I'm going to go.
100%.
I just want to see if it was worth it.
It's
you know what I mean?
kind of Truman Show meets Stepford Wives meets Severance.
That's how Wilde has kind of put it. It's like a feminist
Dystopian.
thriller, dystopian. I'm still not even fully sure what it's about. Like, there's all the argy-bargy.
And to be honest, Olivia Wilde, as much flack as she's getting, she's still gone home to Harry Styles at the end of the day.
Exactly.
So, like, life is still pretty okay for her.
I just hope he's not using the accent at home that he uses in the movie.
Oh, don't make me do the
I heard the
accent
accent,
again.
I thought, this is Wild Mountain Time.
Oh no, is it
But
that bad?
apparently the whole thing around the accent is he's supposed to be pretending to be... He's an American pretending to be British, but I feel like the lady does protest too much. Like, she's just protecting the boy there, you know?
Yeah.